Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Pooja. I have completed my MSc from chemistry subject. I like to teaching very much. Today I will discuss here the topic number system, which is the here we will discuss on the introduction part of the number system, which is the class 9th topic. Okay, first maths first chapter. Okay, first of all we will discuss here what is numbers. Number we use our daily life. Okay, when we go market and purchase something like give me 5 kg rice, 2 kg banana, 1 kg grapes, like this 5 to 1, these all are numbers. Okay, we categorize these numbers like natural number. What is natural number? Natural number are those numbers which start from 1 up to infinite. 1 2 3 4 up to infinite, these all numbers are called natural number, and natural number is represented by capital N. Okay, now next one is whole number. What about whole number? Whole number are started from 0 up to infinite. 0 1 2 3 4 up to infinite are called whole number. Okay, and whole number is represented by capital W. Now next one is integer. All negative number as well as positive number including with 0 are called integers. Okay, integers is represented by capital I. What about integer? One more time. All negative number as well as positive number including with 0 is called integers, and it is represented by capital I. Okay, and when we talk about 0 here, 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. Okay, now next one is prime number. What about prime number? Prime number are those number which have only two factors. Okay, when we talk about 5, for example 5 have only two factor. First factor is 1 and another factor is 5. So 5 have only two factor here. That is why 5 is called a prime number. Another example of prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Okay, main thing is they have only two factors. Okay, and when we talk about 2 is the smallest even prime number. Even in 2 is even number as well as smallest digit. Okay, and when we talk about composite number, what about composite number? Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. For example, when we talk about here 8 has more than two factor. Factor of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 3 and 8 itself. Okay, so 8 has more than two factor. That is why 8 is called a composite number. Another example of composite number is 9, 12. These all numbers have more than two factor. That is why these numbers are called composite number. Okay, now move on the rational number and irrational number. What about rational number? Any number which we can represent in the form of P by Q. What about P by Q? P by Q. P and Q are representing here the integers, and integers we have already discussed. The integers are all negative number as well as the positive number. Okay, so rational number are those number which we can represent in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 is called the rational number. One more thing for rational number are two types here. One is terminating rational number, any digit which is completely divided by another number. Okay, P by Q, P is one number and Q is another number. When we divide P by Q and it will completely divide it. Okay, this is called terminating number. It come under the rational number. And another one is non-terminating and repeating. This digit will be non-terminate and repeat. Okay, for example, when we talk about 1.232323 ... it means this number is non-terminating but repeating, and it is also come under the rational number. And last one is irrational number. When we talk about irrational number are those number which are non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay, these number are non-terminate. They will not terminate completely. These number are not completely divided and non-repeat. For example, 1.23456, any number will become beside it. Okay, so this number are called irrational number. And another example of irrational number is √3, √7, √11, and pi is also example of irrational number. I hope guys like this video. Thank you so much.